The new Lover's Delight Nubby is perfect for couples play. With a sturdy enhancer for him and resonating vibrations for her, California Exotic Novelties has created another innovative wireless pleasure toy to add to your collection. Intensify your lovemaking with a Lover's Delight Nubby, a perfect addition to maintain sturdy support for him and strategically place nubby ticklers for her. The powerful, wireless, stretchy, and comfortable enhancement ring has a removable 3-speed stimulator that resonates with powerful vibrations throughout. To begin exploring the Lover's Delight Nubby, open the battery compartment on the stimulator with a counterclockwise twist. Insert 3 new watch batteries. 6 are included with your purchase. And be sure to follow the plus and minus directions inside the battery case. Close the battery compartment securely. The push-button 3-speed control provides powerful vibrations that resonate throughout the enhancer. The Lover's Delight Nubby Enhancer is constructed with soft, pliable, stretchy, safe, and pure TPR. The wireless removable stimulator is made from durable ABS plastic with metallic plating, and it's waterproof for use in or out of the water. For maximum pleasure, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube. Before and after each use, clean your Lover's Delight Nubby with mild soap and warm water, or use our preferred California Exotic Novelties brand toy cleaner. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and prevent any corrosion inside the unit. For couples play beyond compare, try the Lover's Delight Nubby, an innovative new item from your friends at California Exotic Novelties.